May Trucking Company uses the Omnitracs Intelligent Vehicle Gateway, IVG. It's a single mobile device that delivers a DOT-approved electronic logging platform and a vehicle performance platform. The IVG can display messages on the screen and/or initiate an audible alert sound or read an alert.
A new message has arrived.
When a message or alert is received, the IVG will illuminate the home button's halo light. The halo light will remain lit until the message is read, or the alert is canceled or corrected. The halo color signifies the importance of the message. Red, emergency. Orange, urgent. Blue, normal. Messages can be received with different priorities. The highest priority message is indicated by its color. When you read the highest priority message, the next highest priority message lights. There are two ways to interact with the IVG. Use the touchscreen to activate applications, or push buttons on the IVG and use the on-screen keyboard to create and respond to messages. When open, a standard QWERTY keyboard overlays the bottom of the screen, and you tap to type. When done, close the keyboard to return to full screen. Homescreen will display the most important information at a glance. The hours remaining on the DOT clock, notifications, satellite strength, and whether voice command is active. Tap Enabled Applications to use them. If the application is grayed out, it is not available to use. Scroll among screens to access additional applications. If in an application, click the Go Back button to return to the home screen. If you need help on the IVG or any application on the IVG, tap the Help button to open the onboard support system. The IVG has USB ports to attach a printer, scanner, keyboard, or mouse, and a row of LED lights that are used to troubleshoot problems with the hardware.